Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Clear any fuel or brake lines from the work area. Raise the vehicle and remove the rear wheel and fender liner. Support and remove the leaf spring. Step 3. Cut off the factory leaf spring hanger at the base of the mount. Install a frame repair kit if necessary. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Align the hanger and frame plate on the frame rail using the factory part silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the plate and hanger in place, then weld all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, use the included M16 hardware to reinstall the leaf spring. Both the nut and bolt have 24mm heads. Reinstall any removed fuel or brake lines. Once installed, reinstall the wheel and fender liner.